up, everyone?
Hope you're doing amazing. Hope you're out there making it happen.
And smashing goals.
It's another beautiful day here in always sunny and always beautiful Florida. And today we have, And today we have some more BMW content.
You said it so wrong.
What'd I say wrong? Somebody had too much sugar. Are you gonna help me fix the BMW?
I don't know how.
She always sticks around only for the intro and then leaves. I'm on to you. On this beautiful Sunday fun day, we're gonna have some BMW content. Right? But on this side, no. And of course, we gotta start the video off right with a cold start. Okay, now usually, you guys know I'm a big fan of BMW, and I make a lot of videos talking about they're not hard to work on, or not as hard as people make it seem, or as expensive as people make it seem. But for this turn signal, BMW really dropped the ball, and I'm really pissed. First of all, here I am, had to jack up the car, take out the tire. There's a little vent right here. You can use a quarter to open that up. The light bulb is right there. We'll open that in a little bit, but I don't know if it's just my luck. Maybe it's the M Sport, but everybody else has these teeny tiny little light bulbs, and they're the little round ones, and they're like $4. For some stupid odd reason, I don't know, maybe it's the M Sport. I got this monstrosity. Look at this thing. Come on, BMW. What the? This was not cheap at all, and it's not easy to get to. And when I mean not cheap, I mean at FCP Euro, they had it for like 200 bucks. I found this one on Amazon for like 65. That's for a turn signal. Oh, hell no! Like I was saying, there's the vent. You can use a quarter to get right in there, turn it, and it'll open for you. There's the light.
Bubble wrap, bubble wrap, bubble wrap, wrap. That's it.
Nice song. Now that we're in here, this is where I run into the problem. Most 3 Series have a little light bulb, apparently. You just boop, 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 right? And you change it.
Right in there.
Mm-hmm. But no, mine has this big contraption, so I gotta take these out and unplug it, and it's this big thing. $200 freaking. Seriously? Come on, BMW. Now we're gonna use this T20. We're gonna use that for those 2 little screws right here. Now that those 2 are out, ruh-roh. I think it might be more than just those 2 bolts, huh? Freaking BMW strikes again. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it, but up at the top, very tippity top. Let's see if I can get it. Oh, I think it's right there. Crap. This project just got more complicated. So apparently I have to, all these little screws right here, little bolts, whatever. I'm gonna pull all of these down. And I guess this. So I can drop this right here and access the bolt that's up here. Nope, BMW really tripping. Even with this off, still can't access the top because there's part of the frame right here. So that means this whole headlight has to come off, which means this whole bumper has to come off, which means all of this has to come off just to get to the turn signal.
One eternity later.
Many moons have passed since I started this project. many moons. Danny's like a year older now.
Yeah.
I got a whole new car now. But here in Gold's Garage, we do not give up. No project is too big, except this one. It's so annoying, but I'm gonna do it. I have to do it. Just wanna change that light bulb. You wanna know how many days went by? Probably like 2 months since I started the video. But now I'm gonna finish it, and that's what matters. Never give up. Unless you have to. Never give up. Turned the wheel, trying to get to these here. I guess it's better if you can take your wheel off. I got those little ones there. From here, pull that out a little bit. There's a screw in here. Under the hood, we got, let's get this out of the way. These come off. There's 4 right here. T30s. BMW loves using the T30s. T30 torque screw. This is what I ended up doing. Took the tire off, just on one side. All these little screws came off. Pulled this back, and there's another little screw right back here holding it. Oh my God, guys. There it is. Ah. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Holy crap. I did it. Oh my God. Look at this. This is the turn signal. Wow. That was a dang struggle. Look how much I had to remove just to take the turn signal out. I'm gonna put some gloves on to deal with this new one because that would suck, huh? I bought this like 3 months ago. I'm sure they wouldn't give me a refund. Before I put everything back together. Oh, sorry. Goals Garage. Never give up. Even if you have to, unless you give up. I don't know. And to think you guys doubted me. How could you doubt me? Just kidding. I appreciate your love. I appreciate your support. I appreciate you watching this video. By the way, hit that like button. 91 Nissan Skyline GTR. At 1,000 subscribers, this baby's going single turbo. That's right, big power. 96 Honda Type R, that's right. JDM, right-hand drive. More content on the way. And over here, my problem child. Oh my goodness. Now you know why BMW guys don't use the turn signals. Because that's a lot of work. All that effort just to change that. I'm never using my turn signal ever again. Smash that subscribe button. Hit the like button, hit the notification bell to be part of the Naughty Gang. So every time I drop new content, you don't miss out on our goofball shenanigans. How they say it in Germany? Auf Wiedersehen, puto.